Hey guys, this is Shawn at Burrows Tractor. You've heard me talk about the Workmaster 25S subcompact tractor. And in this video we're going to show you just kind of some of the stuff it can do. Enjoy! And here's after we cleaned up, getting all those shrubs out, everything put back together. Got a little rock still left in there, but it'll be okay once I put some mulch on it. So again, don't know what I would do without that little backhoe. Be a lot of digging, a lot of shovel.